Hello everyone, everything I'm going to show you in this video has been verified and tested by the mechanics here at the shop, so relax. We're almost there. If your Toyota Prius shows the message check hybrid system, the first thing to do is stay calm. It doesn't mean the car is about to explode or that the hybrid system suddenly died. This warning is basically the Prius saying, hey, something doesn't add up in the hybrid system, so I'm letting you know before it turns into something worse. That's why the car often goes into a protection mode and feels slower or limited. Now here's where a lot of people get surprised. One of the most common causes has nothing to do with the big hybrid battery. It's the small 12-volt battery. Yes, that one. When the 12-volt battery is weak, old, or has loose terminals, the computer starts getting strange signals and freaks out. In many cases we've seen here at the shop, simply replacing the 12-volt battery or tightening the connections makes the message disappear like magic. If the 12-volt battery checks out and the warning is still there, then it's time to look at more hybrid components. This is where the high-voltage battery comes into play. Over the years and with more miles, some internal modules wear out and start sending unbalanced voltage readings. The Prius detects this and turns on the warning to prevent the system from operating incorrectly. That's why this message is more common on higher mileage Priuses. Along the same lines, another component that often comes up in forums is the inverter converter. This is the electrical brain that manages energy between the battery and the electric motors. If it overheats, fails internally, or receives incorrect data, the hybrid system goes into protection mode and triggers the warning. It's not the most common issue, but when it happens, the car almost always limits power. Now, not everything is as serious as it sounds. In many cases, the problem is related to sensors, connectors, or wiring. Moisture, corrosion, loose connections, or poorly done previous repairs can cause incorrect readings. The computer can't tell if the issue is real or not, so it plays it safe and turns on the warning. Many mechanics have fixed this just by cleaning or tightening connections. This is where an important point comes in: proper scanning. Clearing the message with a generic scanner doesn't fix anything. It just hides it. The Prius stores specific hybrid system codes, and those codes tell you exactly what's wrong. Without reading them, you're basically guessing, and that usually leads to unnecessary expenses. Some people try an electrical reset, like disconnecting the 12-volt battery or resetting the hybrid system. Sometimes this works, but let's be clear. If there's a real problem, the message will come back. A reset only buys you time. It doesn't fix the root cause. And the big question everyone asks, can you drive it like this? In many cases, yes, but carefully. If the car just feels limited and there are no strange noises, smoke, or vibrations, you can usually make it to the shop without an issue. But if the Prius loses a lot of power, shuts down, or shows additional serious warnings, it's best not to push it and get help right away.